Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can unlock Spotify Premium for free. And yes, this works for both individual and family plans. If you're tired of ads and limited skips, this is exactly what you need. Let's dive right in. First, check this out. Here's my Spotify account, and as you can see, I've successfully activated a 12-month Spotify Premium subscription. It's completely legit, and I'll walk you through every step so you can do it too. Stick around, and I promise it'll be worth your time. To start, open your browser and go to fundszap.com. This website is amazing because it provides access to premium codes for services like Spotify. Just type in fundszap.com and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, look for the section labeled Spotify Premium. Now, you'll see options for different Spotify Premium plans. There's a 12-month individual plan and a 6-month family plan. I'm going with the 12-month individual plan, but you can choose whichever fits your needs best. When you select your plan, it'll ask you to complete a couple of easy tasks to unlock your premium code. For example, some tasks might involve downloading an app or playing a quick game. Here's what I had to do. For one task, I simply opened an app and left it running for about 30 seconds. For another, I played a game and reached a specific level. It only took me around 10 minutes. The best part? These tasks are super simple, and they're different depending on your region, so you can pick what works best for you. Once you finish the tasks, head back to fundszap.com and click Unlock Code. That's when your premium code will appear. Now, the final step. Copy your premium code, go to your Spotify account, and navigate to the Redeem Code section. Paste the code, confirm, and you're done. Enjoy your free Spotify Premium subscription. And that's it. With just a few minutes of effort, you've unlocked Spotify Premium for free, thanks to fundszap.com. No more ads, no more interruptions, just pure music bliss. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.